Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of replacing the screen on your MSI Sword 16HX laptop. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools handy: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. 1. Prepare your workspace. Start by laying down a soft cloth on a flat surface to protect your laptop from scratches. Make sure you are working in a well-lit area. 2. Power off and remove the battery. Turn off your laptop completely. Disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery by sliding the release latch. This is a crucial step to avoid any electrical damage during the repair. 3. Remove the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the panel off. Be cautious not to damage any clips. 4. Disconnect the display cable. Locate the display cable connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the latch. If you're unsure, consult your laptop's manual for guidance. 5. Unscrew the display assembly. Next, locate the screws holding the display assembly in place. There are usually 4 screws on the hinges. Remove these screws and set them aside. 6. Remove the old screen. Gently lift the old screen away from the frame. You may need to carefully maneuver the screen to free it from any adhesive. If you encounter difficulty, double-check for any missed screws. 7. Clean the area. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the area where the screen sits. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a secure fit for the new display. 8. Install the new screen. Position your new screen in place and align it with the mounting holes. Press it gently to ensure it fits snugly. Now, reconnect the display cable by pushing down the latch until it clicks into place. 9. Reassemble the laptop. Replace the screws you previously removed from the display assembly. Next, reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips and screws are secured. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. 10. Power on your laptop. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect the power adapter. Power on your laptop to check if the new screen is functioning properly. If you experience any issues, we provide a quote before repair to ensure transparency in our services. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the screen on your MSI Sword 16HX laptop. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience, making repairs as hassle-free as possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.